Hey everybody, my name is Robbie Jeffcoat. I'm with BadgePass, and today we're going to be looking at replacing the NXT5000 print ribbon in the NXT5000 card printer. So notice right off the bat, we've got the NXT5000 ribbon cartridge here. You'll also notice on the side of the cartridge there's a sticker. Now the sticker will state what type of ribbon you're being used, whether it's like YMCKO, YMCKOK. It also shows the yield as well as the BadgePass part number. So if you need to reorder some of the ribbon, it's easy. It's right here, right on the sticker. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at how to change the ribbon by adding it in to the NXT5000 printer. So what we're going to do first is we're going to open the NXT5000 by simply pressing in the middle of the indentation of the printer, pulling the lid open, and then we're then going to take the ribbon. You'll notice this ribbon does have two little feet. You will want to make sure that these feet face the front of the printer. We'll simply place the ribbon into the printer, close the lid. The printer will then recalibrate, but that's it. It's just that easy to change your ribbon in NXT5000.